Mr. Randall, if I say your name wrong, please excuse me, Kallinen. Mr. Kallinen, thank you, sir.
Good morning. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you very much. Thank you for being here. My name is Randall Kallinen, and while I am a board member of the Harris County Criminal Lawyers Association, I come here today as a citizen and as a civil rights lawyer. In the last couple of years, I have received a jury verdict in federal court for over $100,000 for an unlawful search and seizure of an individual by law enforcement. And in another case, I was able to get awarded $100,000 in attorney's fees in an unreasonable search and seizure in another jury trial in federal court. As board members of Metro, you should not only be concerned about people's rights, which I am very concerned about, but also you are stewards of Metro's money. This is not just an issue of public relations, but these actions could jeopardize the taxpayers' money. I don't think taxpayers would like their money going to pay for judgments and for lawyers like myself to get paid for their work. They think that we're overpaid already as it is. So I want you to look at that. And as a matter of fact, in one of my cases, the judge would have given me more attorney's fees, but what he said was, you did not make this a class action, and I thought this should have been a class action. So that was a federal judge telling me, a lawyer, you should have sued more people, which is very odd. That very seldom happens.
And then you have 30 seconds.
Well, thank you very much. So I am here today to say that this unreasonable search and seizure, and it's not only just searching of bags, under certain circumstances, the court is allowed to look at the total circumstances of seizing a person, and that is when the circumstances are such, maybe there's a lot of police around a person. If the jury believes that the individual was not free to leave, then they have been seized, and that could also be the subject of a lawsuit. So I hope you would not only be concerned about your Metro riders' rights, but also as stewards of the money of Metro, that you would be concerned about that as well.
Mr. Kallinen, your points are well taken, so I really appreciate you highlighting that element of it. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.